It's Friday afternoon. I just signed off of work. Today I had five interviews that I was doing to look for a new member of my team. And we're gonna have some leftovers for dinner. Yes, super exciting. And then Rob and I are gonna go on a little Facebook Marketplace adventure. So stay tuned. We're going on a Facebook Marketplace adventure. We are going to buy a concrete bench that was listed for $50. It was pending to someone else, but then the lady asked why I wanted it, and I showed her a picture of the bench when the house was built or from the original owners, and she liked the story. She took it from the other person and said I could have it. So we're on our way to get it.
Thank you.
We got the bench. Now we're at Friendly's. Who still goes to Friendly's?
This guy right here. Every day.
It looks like packages of bologna.
Thank you for shopping at Makeover.
Second outfit change of the day, and we are going to a viewing, and then we're gonna go out to lunch. But we try to show up for the weddings and funerals, right?
Grandma's chicken and biscuits.
Third outfit change today, and we are about to do some work on our foyer. Wallpaper paste, scrub. So to finish cleaning this, and then paint this triangle, and then the walls will be done. We went out to eat for lunch at a really great restaurant and had a lot of food, and I just ate my leftovers, and Rob isn't that hungry, so I'm not gonna cook dinner for us. We'll probably eat some snacks later. But I do have chicken in the fridge that I need to cook, so I'm gonna do some meal prepping, and then we'll just eat off of that for the week. So I have a few recipes here that we are going to make. First up, I have a chicken and rice casserole, which is really good, and it has buttery Ritz crackers on top. And then I have a mushroom chicken recipe. And then a chicken shawarma recipe.
The floor is still wet, so I hopped over and came up the stairs. But he's gonna come up another way, because my way was boring.
It's only 8:30, but it's bedtime. Good night. Good morning. We're about to go to church. I just painted that wall, still wearing my church clothes, so I'm gonna go change and then keep painting. I promise I washed these clothes. Let's go paint. One coat done on the trim here and this doorway trim. We'll do another coat once it's dry, and I'm not sure if it will need a third coat or not. But the goal is just to do this one so we can get the French doors hung there. Make space in the basement to take this door down and refinish that. I also got 2 coats of paint done on this little triangle wall. We are going on another Facebook Marketplace adventure. Last minute to get a chandelier, another one that we need but we don't really need because it's only $45 and it matches the other ones, so it can either go in the laundry room or my office. I'm headed to bed. It's almost 9 o'clock. I'll see you in the next video. Let me know if you enjoyed this type of video down in the comments below.